Hi bitch, mami Fenty en la casa, otro día más para alegraros la existencia. Hoy os traigo un tutorial de este look, ¿vale? Así moradito, muy bonito. Espero que os guste, que os suscribáis, like, for sure, y que le deis mucho amor, ¿vale? Me quité, bitch. Por cierto, no lo he dicho, pero espero que os suscribáis. You know what the fuck I'm saying? Y que le deis like porque, like, es papi. Os dejo con el vídeo. Adiós.
To know what it is. The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes. It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth? That you are a slave.